When life gives you lemons, yeah, you can make lemonade. But what if you're sick and tired of lemonade? Well, maybe you want something else. So here's what you do. You take those lemons that life gave you, you go over to the store, and you're like, hey, check it out. I got some lemons. I want to sell them to you. And they're going to be all like, oh, okay, we'll give you this much for your lemons. And you'll be like, what the? This is it? That's all you're giving me for my lemons? And then they'll be like, well, yeah, we got lots of lemons. And then you're like, well, whatever, I got them for free anyway. So then you take that money and you get yourself something useful, something like a pineapple. See, pineapple is a cool fruit. You can like eat it by itself, or you can like put it in your holiday roast ham. You can like make pina coladas with it. You could use it as garnish. You could like put it on top of pizza. You know what? Don't put it on top of pizza. Pizza on a pineapple. I mean, pineapple on a pizza. That's wrong. That is just wrong. Don't be that guy. All right. That's it.